Hi there, I'm going to show you how to replace a battery in this Nissan key fob. This is out of a 17 Sentra. Depending upon whether this is an intelligent key or not, you're either going to need one of the 2025 or one of the 2032 batteries. So make sure you check first. But I've put links to both batteries in the description below. And what you're going to also need is a small flat tip screwdriver about this size. So the first thing you want to do is remove the mechanical key. Do that by pressing this down and pulling that out. Now once you're here, take this small screwdriver and insert it in this slot right here. Just give it a little prop like that. And then you have access to your dead battery. Take your same screwdriver and just pop out the dead one. This specific one, it will tell you right here, takes a 2025. But realistically, you can use a 23 or a 25. Both will get the job done. And just install your battery like that. Clip these two back together. And replace your mechanical key. And you're all set. Hope that was helpful. Make sure you hit that thumbs up button.